All right, my friends, we are drawing an astronaut on a planet. And I can't wait to see what sort of details you add on your planet. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a helmet. It's going to be kind of round. And we're going to make it squared off at the bottom. Now we're also going to make that face shield inside of it. And that's going to have the same shape on the inside. Now to draw the suit, we're going to come down a little bit to the outside, and then we're going to come down and out a little, make those legs. Okay. Now we'll add the actual legs. Draw 2 lines across. Put in that upside down V to finish the legs off. We'll add some space boots. Want my feet to be pretty even in size. I made it too big. I went too small, then I went too big. Alright, and I want them to sort of loop over a little. Alright, now we're going to give it a little cuff. And we are ready to add our arms. I'm going to give our astronaut some arms going up. And I'm going to start right after this little angled line. We're going to add the arms going up. So 1 arm up, 2 arms up. And we're going to add a little cuff. Then we'll go ahead and add that like glove, because their hands have to be protected when they're in outer space. Actually, I'm going to make this a little longer. That's a kind of short arm. Here we go. Well, the glove was okay, just that suit wasn't. Okay, and I'm going to make the other arm do the same thing. Start again at the angle, come up, up, draw my cuff. I'm going to add my space glove. Alright, now it doesn't really look like an astronaut yet because we don't have any of the pack on it. So we want to add some details. I'm going to add in some of the suit details. We've got this panel. We've got the part of the pack on the back. And this is going to come up and behind. So notice how I'm basically drawing a square behind our astronaut's head. We can draw in some tubes to the suit. I'm going to do this part with Sharpie, I think, because I want these to be nice and fat. Nice fat lines. Alright, and I'm actually going to trace my astronaut with Sharpie now anyway. Leave a highlight when you do the mask. We're going to cover the mask black. But we want to leave that highlight because we want to show that there's some light out there. So I sort of put like a jelly bean shape for the highlight there. It's almost like a moon shape, isn't it? All right. Once we have our astronaut on, we can erase all of our pencil lines. And now we are going to add the details for the planets. So I'm going to have my astronaut sitting on top of a planet, like they're exploring it. So I want it to be like a circle right behind it. I can erase my lines now because I've got my Sharpie done. And you can put in little things like craters. So we can draw in a crater. and then we could put in, that would be black, and then it would kind of come up like that, and it would have these little, and it might even have like another little loop here so that it looks like it's a dark hole in here. Okay, so you could do something like that. You could have little aliens. Here. You could have stars behind, and we would erase those inside lines. You could have another planet back here. You know, think about all of the different details you can add on your background. All right, I can't wait to see what you do with your astronaut. Have fun.